Hey, what's up, guys? This is David here with Success Keeper, and today I'm bringing you another video, and I'm gonna talk about how to increase traffic on your YouTube channel and how to increase your subscribers. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce two very simple methods that you can use yourself. They're extremely um, simple, and I'm gonna use this YouTube channel. These guys are extremely great at what they are doing. They are teaching basically people how to use YouTube channel to start a online business, and they have many videos over here. You can even uh, order a book from them. You can sign up for video lessons on how to be successful on YouTube, how to have successful online business using YouTube. And so let me just show you. The first step would be when you have a very small following or no following on your YouTube channel, you go to other people's um, YouTube channels, like this one, for example. And I highly recommend that it is a YouTube channel that is related to your business, to your niche that you are involved with. So these guys, for example, okay, I'm gonna use these guys because they are in the same niche that I am, how to make money online, and they teach people how to use the YouTube channel. So what you wanna do, the first method I'm gonna share is you go to their videos and you pick any kind of video, or you can scroll through their videos,
Ask me,
and what you
what would
wanna
I do?
do is you're gonna like their video, okay, over here. So you're gonna like it and you're gonna make a comment. All right, so I'm gonna say, hey, thanks for this um that you okay, and that's it. And then you're gonna, by doing that, you're gonna make yourself known, that people will start noticing you. Um, the more comments you're gonna make on their videos, the more people will see you over and over again to pop up over here. And the more they see you, they'll be like, hey, who is this guy? Let me check out his channel over here. Okay, they click on it and it goes directly to your channel. Now they will go to your videos and to check out your channel. If they like it, they will subscribe to your channel. So that's one great way
So
to
somebody just recently asked me, what?
so that's one very powerful way to make yourself noticeable on other people's, and you can do it with multiple accounts all over YouTube, okay? But like I said before, I highly recommend that you do it on YouTube channels that are relevant to your niche, okay? The other method I want to share with you that I've learned just recently is when somebody comments, and this works only when you have some kind of traffic going on to your YouTube channel. And when people comment on your video, like these guys over here, all these comments over here, what you want to do is you will like their comments. So let's say I am the creator of this channel, okay, and I would go and read all of the comments below my videos over here, and I would go and I would like all the comments over here, like this guy, he's placing hearts over here. But I recommend to do it for every single comment below that is positive, obviously, like over here. Okay, and he does it with some of them, but I recommend do it to as many as possible, because when you heart their comments, it will send a notification on their phone or computer saying that you like their comment, and that they will go back to your channel and they will look at other videos that you might have posted, or they see what's new on your channel. So it's basically like keeping in touch, keeping conversation with them going. Okay, so these are very powerful ways of increasing traffic to your YouTube channel. And by the way, the first method that I suggested to you, the first one, that was going to other people's YouTube channels and comment and uh, like their videos. It's the same as if you have Instagram account. If you want to grow your Instagram following, you do the same thing. You follow other people's accounts on Instagram, and you like their posts, you comment on their posts. Okay. All right, and then they might respond. They will check out who you are. Okay, they will go back to your stuff over here, and you make yourself noticeable. So it kind of works the same way on other social medias too. And that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to shoot this short video that I just kind of learned these shortcuts and secrets how to increase traffic to your channel. I hope this information was useful. Please make a comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper. And I will speak with you tomorrow. You take care for now.